Oh shit.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cattaraugus County, Erie County, Chautauqua County until 12:15 a.m. At 11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 miles northwest of Erie to 32 miles northwest of Girard, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Cheektowaga, West Seneca, Jamestown, Clarence, Lackawanna, Kenmore, Depew, Amherst, and Tonawanda. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 61 and 49. Interstate 86 between exits 4 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.